Hey guys, now let's talk about copying, moving, and renaming files with the cp and mv command. So I'm in my directory here called O5 example with these listings, so feel free to follow along if you want. So in order to copy a file, we just use the cp command. So if I wanted to copy, let's say, file 1 into directory 3, which is within directory 1, I can say cp file 1 and then dir1/dir3. So this takes a copy of file 1 and then moves it to that directory. So if we want to make a copy of the same file in the current working directory, we just type cp file 1 and then we have to rename it. So we have to say new file 1, something like that. So if we see here, we see new file 1 right there. And we can also copy multiple files at once. So if you want to do that, just go ahead. And to copy directories and contents within, we must use the -r option, which specifies to copy recursively. So let's try that. So we can do cp -r, and then we want to copy all the contents in directory 1 into directory 2. So we can see here, we can check if that went all right. And we see there that dir1 has, dir1 has been copied into dir2. So we move back to our O5 example folder. And now to move a file, we use the mv command. So we can say mv file 1 to dir1 in order to move file 1 into directory 1. So as you can see, file 1 is now gone from our example folder. And if we move into our directory 1, we can see file 1 is right there. So we can use this command to also move a file to our current directory with a new name. And this is pretty much the same thing as renaming a file. So let's try moving file 2 into something else. So let's say renamed file 2. So this is like moving it and then just renaming it. So what it is it's just renaming it. So if you see here, now file 2 is gone, and we can see that a new file has appeared called renamed file 2. So there are some options that the mv and cp commands have. So we can have the interactive, which prompts us to verify before it actually overwrites a file. And there's also the update option, which copies only files that either don't exist or are newer than the existing corresponding files. And there's also the verbose option, which outputs messages as they're being copied. So go ahead and try these options out for yourself.